Time to fly the drone and search for the other drone. Now here we are at the beautiful Willamette River here. Ducks on the pond, or the river sharks here, and right in the distance there you can see on the right hand side a white thing going at a diagonal. That's where this drone is headed. So let's give it a try. See what we've got going on. First thing to do is make sure this is on. Yep, press this. That's on. Next thing is put the antennas on, but maybe not. This does have good range on its own. Okay, so in that case we'll just turn this guy on. Connection guy. Hi there, how you doing?
Hi. Are you going to fly your drone?
I'm going to give it a try, yeah.
Yeah. I don't understand what the law is on these. Is it okay for anybody to do this anywhere?
If the drone is under 250 grams, which there is, you can fly it anywhere. If it's a heavy drone, you have to kind of have a special license.
Oh, yeah.
But you don't need a license just to fly, you know.
Under how many grams?
250.
250, okay.
Yeah.
About a quarter of a kilo, huh? So that's,
Yeah.
that's a half, that's 1.5 pounds. That's a pretty good size one. That's not anywhere near that big.
But the amazing thing is how great these things work. I mean,
have you flown it before?
Yes, many times.
Oh.
As a matter of fact, what I'm doing right now is I'm sending this drone. You see that white thing in the distance? Up there to look for another drone that I lost about 4 weeks ago.
Oh. When you say the white thing, you're talking about the building over there?
No, as far back as you can see on this side of the river, there's like a jetty coming down at a that's it there, yeah. So, fingers crossed that we might be able to fly it.
Oh.
Here we go.
Wouldn't it be better if you were closer? I mean, that's a long ways away.
You can't.
Are you going to send this drone clear over there?
Oh, you silly goose, John. There we go. Okay, right now, try this. There we go. So this is what the camera on the drone says. You can't get over there, it's all private.
Oh,
you could, yeah, it's the Waverley Golf Club is actually what it is. But before you fly the drone, you have to get it set up. See how still it just stays in? That's modern tech. They didn't used to do that.
That is amazing.
It's mind blowing, really.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do here. And there she goes. Going up high and get a different view.
That's way up.
Yeah. Well, we're 26 meters out. What happened there? Did we lose?
It's almost disappeared.
Yep.
Does it give you the elevation?
Return to launch flight mode.
See, I can't see it. I can see it now.
Yeah.
But
it's coming back.
It's coming back now. It comes back automatically. Can you believe that?
That's wonderful.
I'm going to showing you what's
What
going on.
have you studied these things quite a bit, and you got this one because it's a very good one, right?
Yes, it is. It was like, and it was worth $179.
Oh, that's
But you
cheap.
can pay thousands for them, you know.
Yeah.
But for the quality, you get good video. And I have a YouTube channel, so I upload the video onto the YouTube channel
Ah.
just for my own ego.
Oh, and now, so this cost how much? 100?
779.
Oh my God! Where'd you get that? On Amazon or something?
Well, yeah, I think I did get it on Amazon. I think that's where it came from originally.
What's the brand name?
Mind out the way. It's
Wow! Like a homing pigeon.
there you go. You're coming down the land now. There.
Loiter flight
That's
mode.
fun.
Okay.
Start record video.
Okay, I'll record again.
Start record video.
Okay, I'm going to start it up.
Return point has been refreshed. Please pay attention.
Hope he's the spirit of Portland. That would be a nice thing to see.
Yeah. Do you remember the brand name of this thing?
Yeah, it's WALKERA.
WALKERA.
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm going to get one of those.
How are we now? 127 meters away. Hope I don't hit the ship. This is not a very good monitor.
Well, it's you can't see because there's so much light. You know, so much light reflecting off it.
Yeah. There's something to do. You can do something here too. I don't know where it is.
Wouldn't it be a better monitor if it were in the dark?
Yeah, probably would, I'm sure. 198 meters out, or 200 meters. That tells you how far away you are, and that tells you your height.
Oh, that's
So
the
to see it's,
elevation. Huh.
yeah, what I'm trying to do is get to the place where I lost my drone, and I'd like to take some video of the area so I can monitor it, you know.
How long will it last? The battery last?
The battery lasts about between 20 and 30 minutes, but that's usually long enough, you know, to fly.
Yeah.
So 420, and you can see that there's a house. That might be the Waverley Golf Club there. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with this this view here. I think I need to adjust the screen, but I don't know on the phone here, and I can't remember how to do it. Oh, there's something going there. I can see better there.
Now,
And that's about where I lost my other drone. But I'm just going to come back home now.
well, if you found it, how would you go get it?
Oh.
You'd have to get permission to go there, or what?
Oh, well, hang on just 1 second. Okay, return to land.
Return to launch flight mode.
Okay, thank you. When I lost it,
Yeah.
it was over the trees there, and it was looking into the golf club. It was like on there. It was on the border between the golf club, the trees, and the shore, the river shore. So I went to the golf club and I talked to them. They're really nice people. The problem was they were having an international golf tournament.
Oh.
So I got with the security and they walked me down to where I thought it might be. And I didn't find it, but there was a lot of people there. Maybe somebody found it and took it as a... But anyhow, so the next thing was I bought a inflatable raft. I went down there and I rode all the way out there till I got to the beach, and I got out and I looked around and I still couldn't find it. But but you can see all kinds. I mean, you know.
So does the camera go directly down? You can't move it around like that, can you?
Yeah, you can move it up and down. Yeah, you can turn the drone side. You can have it anywhere. Yeah, that's the great thing about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, 75 meters away, it's coming in quick. I think you can change it between feet and meters too. There's all kinds of things to do. You can also you can press a button and it'll fly around you. Keep you as the subject. It'll fly around you.
Oh, to take pictures of you.
Or whatever subject you decide to put it there. I could get it on the boat there and make it fly around the boat.
Fly around the boat. Oh my God.
Yeah. Where are we at now? There you are there.
Communication lost.